Hello guys, welcome to play. Hello guys, welcome to Play Easy Game. I hope you all doing great and are having fun in your life. So here today I bring a video for you where you will learn how to solve this corner parity in 4x4. In maybe you solve the complete cube, all the faces you solve already, but you stuck with these two corner pieces which are flipped to each other. As you can see in this example, red and blue, orange and blue. So here you can see the red and blue flip with orange and blue, so we need to exchange them. So the red blue should be come on the right side and the blue orange should be on the left side. How we do this? So here we move just 3 times the cube layers and this parity will be solved. So this is called middle layer or R or M, anyhow you notate, but you see the second layer from the right side. So we call this R, small r, then this is the up U, and if we move this both together then this is UW, that means up wide. So what we do, we will move this R 2 times, then 1 time 2 times this U upside, then again 2 times middle R, then again we will move this U wide 2 times, one more time we will move this 2 times again, 2 rotation to this middle layer, and again we will do this, then our corner parity got solved. So let's start with middle layer, that is small r 2 times, upper layer U 2 times, middle layer R small r, that is 2 times, upper layer second layer, that means U wide, this is U wide 2 times. Again we will move this middle layer 2 times, then again upper layer R wide 2 times. So here you can see our these sides are flipped to each other. Now we will use the algorithm to align the edges. So what we do this to align the edges, and here you can see two edges are meshed to each other, these two are meshed to each other. So here we will just use the simple algorithm that we use in the 3x3, R U to R prime, U R U prime and R prime. So here you see two layers of the left side and front side are meshed to each other. Now we will take this on the back side, and this will we will keep on the left side and use the same algorithm, R U to R prime, U prime, R U prime and R prime, and one another one U prime, and our all the edges piece in the correct position. Now we will align the corners. So let's check if any corner in the correct position is okay. This is in the correct position, blue, orange and yellow. So let's do this, L prime U R U prime, L U R prime and U prime. So here you see our, let's see our corner comes in the position. No, not yet. So let's do it once again, L prime U R U prime, L U R prime and U prime. So here another corner is in the position, this corner also get in the position, and this corner is also solved, and this corner is also solved. So now we will do the simple RD here, R prime D prime R and D, R prime D prime RD, R prime D prime R D, R prime D prime R and D. This corner is got solved. Let's move this, and again R prime D prime R D, R prime D prime R and D. So here we solve our 4x4 corner parity, and there you go. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you want to enjoy the 4x4 and you don't have the 4x4, go download the application Rubik Cube Master from the Play Store. It's available now, it's completely free, and enjoy the cubes from 2x2 to 7x7.